like this. We select this, control this, control, and we keep click on insert here, dashboard. Change this. We're gonna select all the series, and here we're gonna copy to the following. We know that we have to give an absolute reference to L14 here in calculations. So we're gonna type here calculations exclamation mark $L $14. Okay. Automatically as well. Now we realize that we can do this very easily. I can also remove some of the options here, or I can put this order. So this is a group. Now we can do like this. I can also format this field automatic. Okay, I can also change. No, this is the border field. Okay, something like this, and then overlap is 0, and this is 50. Okay. I'm gonna copy this. Copy this. Okay, then we can also just, okay, this is not interesting for us. Then for all these products, we're going to do the following. In which row we're going to do the match of this in this array exactly. Then the columns, okay, are done. Okay, so product 1 in April, okay, this G. So here in general we have this. Okay, this is okay. This is also fixed. Product 2 in January. We're jumping here one column. This is absolute. Okay, and here we are. We get for January for all these products. So I'm going to my dashboard here. I'm gonna change this. This is H14. April. Okay, and this data. So select data. Here, gonna. Okay, here. Okay. Have to be match this and this. Okay, now I get a different, okay, because we have December. Okay, so we created first of all this dashboard where the other parts of this dashboard.